Hi guys, it's me, Renee. Welcome back to my Kudos Kitchen. If you've been here before and if you haven't been here before, welcome. Today we're making this delicious and relatively easy, healthy, it's mahi mahi with a nectarine avocado salsa. It's great for the summertime. The only cooking you really need to do is to sear the mahi mahi in a skillet, which is what I did. You'll see it in the video. And now I'm going to do the taste test for you, let you know how good it is. It's a pretty good size fork full of food, so here we go. The fish is a little sweet. If you know mahi mahi, it's meaty, it's flaky. The nectarine salsa and the avocado pair so well with it. Now I added a touch of honey, which the original, excuse me for talking with my mouth full, which the original recipe did not have, but it's an excellent addition. There's some cilantro in there, some coriander. Well, you'll see it if you watch the video, and I hope that you do.
I'll make sure to leave the full recipe down below in the description box. Plus, you can also visit my website, kudoskitchenbyrenee.com, for more tasty recipes, and this one in particular, you can print out because there's a recipe card. I so appreciate you taking the time to watch this full recipe. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them. If you want to leave it in the comment down below, that'd be great. I promise to get back to you. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. That'd be awesome. I really do like making videos for you guys. But even more than the videos, I enjoy bringing you tasty recipes that you can serve at home to the people you love. Whoops, my bad. And one thing I forgot to film when it came to this part of the recipe is that I did add about 1 teaspoonful of ground coriander to the salsa. Here's a really good tip for you for searing fish. Make sure to pat them dry with a paper towel before you add them to the hot skillet. That way you'll get a good sear on them. The mahi fillets only take about 5 minutes on the first side to cook. When they release from the pan, you know they're ready to flip, and then another 3 to 4 minutes on the other side. Spoon the salsa on a platter and top with the fish fillets, and then top again with additional salsa. It's time to eat. Thanks for watching.
If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Thanks for being here. I appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye.